Who the fuck am I saying sorry to? Do you the birds? The birds are so beautiful. Before we get started, my brows are very bold right now, and I'm not sure why I made them so bold, but I live a pretty bold life, so I felt like it should represent me. I've got a ton of new products. I've got skincare, I've got makeup, and I've got a beauty product, and just some things that I want to show you that I bought, I've received, and I felt like that was the best way to come back to this beautiful channel that I've created and to show you a spring going into summer beat, something fresh, something bold brow but not too much. You know, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. I am the most excited to try this Soft Glam palette. It's so pretty. I can see why she created this. Is a perfect palette for the most basic bitch, which is me. And if you don't know me, if you haven't seen my videos before, then you know that if you haven't seen my videos, then I'm telling you this now. And if you have seen my videos, I always use, wherever it's at, is Modern Renaissance. I love burnt orange and sienna, which is hitting pan in that palette. So I get burnt orange with this one, but the colors are really pretty. I like that they have a black in there, and they also have cypress umber, which is a really dark brown. And this is dipping my fluffy brush into the color sienna, which is really like it's not brick, because mulberry is more brick, but it's kind of like a light brick. I didn't I didn't put any eye primer because I used the concealer after I filled in my brows, and I want to know what that life is like without having to use setting powder. Oh, this is so, wow, that picked up. It doesn't have any kickback either, because we all know people will come for them if they have kickback. Wow, this is really pretty. In the mornings, I love to listen to the sound of birds. It's very relaxing. I meditate in the morning as well. Have a cup of water with a little ACV in it. I cannot start my day without meditating. There are days when I forget, and I find that the days that I forget and I find myself on, you know, the bullshit, the Instagram, the Pinterest, the Snapchat, and checking out with the external world before and checking in with the internal world, you find yourself super depleted. So I like when I just take a moment to say me first. Mercury retrograde was only trying to teach me first, because by the time the next Mercury retrograde comes, which will be in Leo, Leo has no problem with putting themselves first, and neither do I. I'm gonna dip that one into mulberry so I can really get into right here and deepen that crease. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. I love this brush. I don't know why I don't have multiple Royal Ankle brushes, but oh, because I have student loans, that's why. Okay, so Blue Rustic is calling my name. Rustic. And wow, that packed on very nice. Oh man, I thought I was gonna use shimmer. I'm wilding right now. Look how pretty that is. These are like the normal color. These are like my normal colors. This right here, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 are calling my name. Oh, and orange soda. Yeah, they do kind of get that's okay. I mean, I can see why that would bother people, because you feel like you're losing product, but whatever. So basically I went to get, wow, that packs on amazing. I don't know if that's the brush. This is the Sephora Pro Shadow number 14 brush. Look how big that is. that is what I call a packer. Let's talk about skincare. Okay, so I've got the Origins Perfect World SPF 40 Age Defense Moisturizer with white tea. So I like that white tea is good for, oh my gosh. What was I gonna say? The white tea is good for like redness and any kind of inflammation. It keeps it cool and stuff. But I love that it has to be a 40 because let's get into this later. That's a lot of product. Let's get into it, ladies. We are not in 2018 leaving the house without proper skincare. Oh my god, that was too much product, but that's okay because I'm gonna bring it down. Actually, I should bring it up. We are not leaving the house without proper skincare. We are SPFing every nook and cranny of our bodies. We are anti-aging ourselves. We are focusing on not aging ourselves. We are making sure that our skin looks good, because I know that there are women that watch my channel that live in cities where there's massive sun, aka Orlando and California, and the way to get rid of these spots is a lot of SPF. Is a lot. Ooh, this is a very thick cream. Very thick. Probably put more than enough, but I'm a big fan of Origins. They honestly can't do any wrong. This is the product, and I hope you guys saw that. Cooling water. I wanted to spend my money on the watermelon serum. This one was $24. The watermelon serum was $36, but it didn't have good reviews, and I don't know, I felt like people were returning it. It sounded like in the review section. So this is really good reviews. Ooh, this is really nice. This is super nice. It's very cooling. And this came out of the freezer as well too. So we are going to, wow, this is very nice. And this has like caffeine and a lot of seaweed extracts and a lot of, you know, cool ingredients in there. So I wanted to try this. And then when it comes to product, I like to push it into my skin. You should use the palms because I know the fingertips have, you know, natural oils. From far, I love my brows. Like, I'm loving this one. This one, she could calm down. Just put a little bit of, damn, why did I do that? I'm gonna put a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn on my plate, and then I'm gonna also open my Amand NARS. This is the soft matte cream. I'm gonna use a little bit of Fawn under my eyes to conceal. See that? I use the fingers to just push in product as well. So I've got a little bit of a thing with, I love a beauty sponge, but let's be real, beauty sponges take up a lot of product. They do. And I find that brushes, that even if it does take up a lot of product, if you push it in, or if you continue to use a brush, you still have product on it. I feel like with a sponge, it's kind of difficult for you to still get that leftover product, if you know what I mean. If you don't know what I mean, then ignore what I'm saying. Alright, so we've gotten me a refreshed look. I've been wanting to do this for a while anyway, but basically I want to be able to use concealer as foundation. So instead of going back into Fawn, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this soft matte, and I'm just going to scoop a little bit out onto this brush. I don't need a lot, and I'm going to find the places where I need that extra coverage, which is pretty much on my cheeks is where I put that. And then I'm going to use my finger to push that in, especially around the edges, so that it'll start to match. And then I'm going to just continue to find places where I just need that coverage. And the reason that I'm tapping with my finger is because I want to be able to help it match, and it might need to either get darker with extra product or it needs to be sheared out a little bit, because This product is the perfect overtone. I know you can see I haven't done anything on this side. I have all these spots covered. I don't have this side covered, but this one is definitely covered. I'm gonna hit the forehead in a second. I'm definitely hitting the mustache. And I'm putting a lot of product there because I forgot to wax recently. And I don't necessarily, thread them either because that shit hurts. But I do love to shear out my mustache with a damp sponge. And then I may go over where, and I still have my natural skin peeking through. I want to make sure that everything blends in together. Yeah, that's much better. All right. And I don't mean any offense by what I said, but like, I think it's because I just got a bunch right here. I think it's because I have been passionate about makeup for a long time. It was something that I focused on a lot on when I was in college, and I like doing my friends' makeup. I like talking about makeup. Makeup has pretty much been a part of my life for the last 10 years or so, and pushing myself to even make this channel and stuff like that. I know that everyone's doing it for the dollar, and I feel like when I started my channel, it's not like that didn't cross our mind, because like, let's be realistic, we all have bills and things that we want to get money and use our money for, right? It's gotten kind of leaky over there, but I'm gonna let that slide for a minute. But I thoroughly, and I had this conversation the other day with somebody, I actually love making videos. I don't mind sitting here and creating content and talking. I love talking, and I love being a creative, and I feel like if they're coming from an angle of I want to be creative and this is like the creative thing to do for me, sure. But I think with everyone getting a line, getting a collaboration, and seeing how YouTubers have made a career out of it, I think everyone wants a piece of the pie, and like I can't blame them, but you should always think about longevity. I've been loving, oh god, I've been using it for probably 3 weeks. This is the Bad Gal Benefit. I know that they sent these hoes to like Amangari, somewhere in like Utah or something, and their videos looked amazing. Everybody looked bomb. Everybody was getting drunk, living their best. I wasn't there, but I will be next year for the promotion of this mascara. All the YouTubers, all the poppin' ass YouTubers that have millions of followers, not 67 like me, but I'm thankful for all 67 of you guys, to promote this. Coño, man, are you fucking kidding me right now? This isn't the day for makeup, huh? I literally got mascara all over here. All right, let's continue on. Let's continue. I don't know if I love this Brow Gal Instant tinted brow gel with microfibers from the Brow Gal. I think I said that already. But I use it anyway because I like that it kind of combs them out. It's a little too light, but I think I want to say that maybe that helps. Like if I had not used such a dark brow gel today, then maybe, I don't know. I want thick brows, and if that means not doing my brows, then I won't do them. Wow, that brow is really strong. All right, I'm really excited because I got my hands on the Fenty matchstick in the color Yacht Life. And that's the reason why I'm not, oh my god, look how much product's in there. That's gonna last me, sis. This is really gorgeous. Let's talk about that. It's literally pink, and it's pink right there, but from different angles, if you blend that in. Look at that. Oh, it just disappeared. Let's do this. I want to I don't know if I love it. This might look better with a full coverage foundation. But it's going with the minimalistic style I'm going for with. Alright, this is number 7, M69. Let's get into it. Whoa, I love this. I feel so summertime fine right now. Okay. This is it. This is super duper lightweight. This is cute to throw in your bag. I'm living for this look. I'm done. This video's over. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys keep me going and flowing, and I look forward to continuing to make videos for you. This just boosted me because I'm just going to Target real quick and I look like a ting. Oh wait, we've got one more thing on this, which is the Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, just a tad, this much, and we are going to hit this chest. It smells really, really nice, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror. That's the thing, these aren't like super, you're gonna see the shimmer. I do look, I think because I'm playing with lighting, I feel like I look very normal. I look like I could just put oil on my body. I mean, it is oil, it's body oil. But let's just amp it up more. Oh, I love the way it smells. I love the way it smells. This is gorgeous. Okay, now I'm starting to notice it. This is probably nice when you get out the shower. Wow. That is it for me, guys. I will definitely be back again. Box turn video is probably coming up next. You may see this same makeup again, so don't worry. I'm here to make videos and make you smile, make you smile, make you not want to frown. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys again. I'm trying to stick to 2 videos a week. I know I suck at it and I see it every week, but I do apologize, and I do appreciate everybody who does watch my videos, even if I disappear for 2 weeks to deal with my own depression. I really do love you guys. Namaste and blessings. See you soon.